With today's plugin, you can just improve your website speed, make it load faster and make it more user friendly. You can see right now, previously before using this plugin, my speed was the 67% for the mobile devices, but after just installing this plugin, I got the 98%. So this is the 31% improvement. I have just installing a plugin without doing any extra effort. This plugin will handle everything. It has the CDN, it has the image optimization, it has the preset loading, everything done here. So right now you can see this plugin name is the BerqWP, and stay with me till the end and I will talk about everything this plugin, how you can install it, what are the things you have to do, and how you can get around the 98 up to the 100% for your website loading and the page loading inside. So right now I am using the page speed insights by the Google, and it's showing me all the things like the performance, accessibility, best practices and the SEO. And this is for the my mobile devices speed performance, that is the 98%. This is extraordinary. No matter how much you effort do while optimizing your website, you cannot get up to the 98%. So much efforts and the time consuming, but after just installing the BerqWP plugin, you can get it here. Okay, so for the mobile I got the 98 and for the desktop I got the 99. Okay, so right now this BerqWP plugin is available on the appsumo starting from the just $39 for one website license. Here let me tell you what the things you will get it here. First of all, it is going to 100% automatically. You don't need to do any manual configuration, and this is 100% SEO friendly. And if you don't know, speed and the loading performance of a website can impact your search engine ranking. You can see here, boost search engine rankings by passing core web vitals without any technical skill. This is the best thing what I liked about BerqWP. It is not going to just make your website lightning fast in loading, but also going to boost your search ranking for improving the website speed and the performance. Let me scroll down below. Here you will got the LazyLoad Images, Cache Warmup, Assets Preloading, and if you scroll down below, there's the thing that is the WebP Images that makes your website loads faster if you have the multiple images. It has the CSS JavaScript optimization option available. So all you need to just install BerqWP on your website and you are ready to get up to the 98-99 performance on the page speed. So plan 1 gives you the one site license and you will get all these features like the 90+ page speed score, unlimited pages you can cache. It has the image optimization, CSS, JavaScript, fonts optimization, lazy loading, and even the CDN. And if you want to compare with the other cache plugins like the wprocket or the 10 web or the Nitro pack, then this is the quick comparison chat. You can check it out here. With the BerqWP you can get up to the 98 performance score, while wprocket you can get just the 90. Nitro pack can give you the 96, but we have the highest performance score using the BerqWP. So if you want to check out this deal here, the link will be given in the description. For the plan 1 you will get the one site license. For the plan 2 you will get the license for the 3 website, and you can get these license up to the 200 sites, but you have to pay and go up to the plan 8. Now let me give you a demo for this website, and here's the gift for all of the guys who have just stay tuned with me, because recently we have got the around 2000 subscribers on my channel. So here's the giveaway I am giving you as a gift, as a gratitude. So right now BerqWP one site license you have to pay the $39, but I have given a link in the description. You have to just fill out and go to that link, and I am giving out the one site license absolutely free to all of my subscribers who have just believed me till this last long and stay tuned and a consistent watcher for my videos. Okay, so you have to just fill the form, that is the link given in the description, and this is the giveaway for the BerqWP I am doing as a gift. Now let me give you the quick tutorial and how you can install BerqWP on your website and how you can improve your website performance. So this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and here you need to just go to the license key. Okay, in the license key you can see this is the license key. You have to copy it. Okay, and after that you have to just go to your website. Just go to your website. Here click on the add new, and here you have to search the BerqWP. So let me search BerqWP, and you will easily find it because it is listed. This is the plugin. So you have to click here on the install and activate. So I have already installed and I need to just activate. So I will activate. After activating, you will find the BerqWP option available here on your left side WP dashboard menu. You can see this is the BerqWP. You have to click it here, go to the license section, and you have to add the license and activate. Okay, and if you got the license from my giveaway, you have to do the same process, and then you have to nothing done. This is the plugin that is going to handle everything on the automation, and once it is going to automate optimize your website, you will got the ultra loading speed and the highest performance. I have told you already that my speed was the 67, and after using BerqWP I got the 98, 97 kind of the speed. Okay, so let me test it right now. So this is my previous speed that I am showing you, 67 around, but now let me test it here. So this is the website. Let me show you this is the website. I have copied it, get back to the here, paste here, click on the analyze, and now in the real time I am going to show you the analysis. So it will take a little bit time, around the 10 or 20 seconds up to 30 seconds, and you will get the results. So let me a little bit stay tuned to the screen, and you can see this is the results. I got the 97 here, and this is for the SEO, and for the desktop I got the 100 out of 100. Okay, I haven't done any kind of the configuration while installing the BerqWP. I just installed the plugin, activated, and everything is done on the automation. This is the cache management. Here I can just manage the cache and the speed for the my post pages. This is the pages, this is the categories, this is the some URL parameters I can add for the ignoring. This is for the image optimization. I can also optimize my images with the BerqWP. This is for the script manager. If you have this some JavaScript or the some other kind of the script you want to optimize, you have to just add it here and it is going to optimize, or you can also exclude that. Then there's also the preload font faces. You can enable with this tick here. Okay, so this is the BerqWP. If you want to check out this deal, the link will be given in the description, and if you want to enter in the giveaway for the BerqWP, the link will be given in the description. You have to just fill up the form, and I will just send out this single site license to your email. So make sure you enter the right email and cross check. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you enjoyed this video to hit the like button, and if you really like all these videos that I have uploading on my channel for these kind of the tools, make sure you also subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. And in the future I am also going to do a lot of the giveaways. Okay, so while you are entering in the giveaway, there are the two things you need to take notice. First, you must like this video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.